Hello, good morning. Welcome to my mini series in English. And today I'm just going to talk about our little dogs and everything around us. The black one is Luke, the white one is Luna. They are our dogs. Beautiful, lovely, most loving. And today is a beautiful morning. I just want you to enjoy the morning. Can you hear the birds? Can you hear them? Look at the trees and look at the sun. And look at the sky. It's so nice and beautiful. Blue. See those fleecy clouds? They look so nice. And look at that tree. Its leaves in the breeze. Listen to those birds again. I wish you a good morning. Have a nice day.